Hello everyone and welcome back to another devlog. In this devlog, we're going to be adding character animations along with hit indicators. So to start things off, before we can actually animate the character, we need to rig it. Basically, we create a skeleton where each bone has a certain weight on the vertices, and then when you move the bone, the vertices move along with it based on their weight. Next thing I did was actually make the animations. I imported a reference of someone walking, and after doing that for every single animation, here's what I ended up with. Now you'll notice for the jump animation, the character jumps and then slowly winds back down. This is just to prevent the character from being completely static while in the air. So after doing that, I imported the character into Unity along with the animations, created this simple web where any animation can play regardless of what animation is currently playing. But before we actually program the animations to work, I wanted to make the arms and head react to the camera's rotation just because it seemed like that'd be easier to do first. I created this bone to help me do that. That way I don't have to rotate both the arms through code, and besides they're already overridden by the animations. Now implementing this was actually really easy. I just made the rotation of the arms equal that of the gun. Now that we're done with that, we can go back to the animations and actually make them work, which was really easy. Put simply, they're just a bunch of true or false statements that determine which animations are played, and then those are set through code. Now we're almost done with the animations. There's just one final thing we need to do, and that is to set the mesh of the character to shadows only. This lets us see the shadows of our character without actually seeing the character itself. This might make the texturing part of the characters seem pointless, but later when I add multiplayer, that's going to be important. Next, I put down a copy of the character to act as the source of the damage. Then I made the actual damage indicator, which positions itself on the screen based on its Z rotation. And then using these lines of code, which I'm not going to explain because that would take forever, calculate the rotation of the damage indicator so that it points towards the damage source. Now we make the damage indicators fade out by putting the aforementioned code inside of a while loop that loops until the damage indicator's transparency reaches 0. And this while loop runs every frame inside of a coroutine. That is unfortunately all I had time for in this video. Before I go, I just want to say that my next devlog will be 1 week delayed because I'm going on vacation for spring break.